These alphabet flashcards were kindly gifted to me, and they have been such a great learning tool for my son. I really love how hands-on and interactive this set is, especially for preschoolers who learn best through play. The set comes with 26 double-sided cards in both uppercase and lowercase wooden letters, which makes it really easy for kids to start recognizing letters and matching them correctly. One feature I really appreciate is the color-coded grooves on the cards to help prevent confusion with similar-looking letters. The cards themselves are thick and sturdy with bright colors and cute illustrations to keep kids engaged. Everything feels very durable and thoughtfully designed. The wooden letters are smooth, well-made, and a great size for small hands. Kids can trace the letter shapes with their fingers, match them together, and practice early letter formation, which is wonderful for building fine motor skills, phonics, and early pre-writing skills. It's a fun, screen-free activity that works well for preschool learning, homeschooling, or even classroom use. If you're looking for a hands-on, engaging way to help little ones learn their letters, this set is a really great option to add to your learning routine.